In an under the influence type of case, typically the prosecution will use 3 types of evidence to attempt to obtain a conviction. First will be the observations of the initial or stopping officer. They look for bizarre behavior, quick rapid speech or slow dull speech, dilated pupils or constricted pupils, elevated pulse rate or profusely sweating, and for other telltale signs of recent drug use, fresh puncture wounds or needle marks over veins in the inner arm area, burn marks on the fingers and around the lips. Secondly, the initiating officer will bring in a specialized officer, an officer known as a DRE, drug recognition expert, to conduct a further examination, an exam of the individual. That officer has specific training related to people under the influence of a controlled substance. They're looking for controlled lighting tests to see if there's any visible reaction, for example, to the absence or presence of light in one's pupils. The prosecutor will often call that DRE at trial to offer opinions that you were under the influence of a controlled substance at the time of contact. Thirdly, oftentimes the police will have you submit to either a blood or a urine test to determine the presence of a controlled substance in your blood. The prosecutor will offer those results at trial in an attempt to prove that you were under the influence of a drug.